Good morning everybody, I am back to vlogging, yay! So it is Sunday today and we are going to my sister's house for brunch, and yeah, we're just getting ready to go. I just filmed a Q&A which you would have seen yesterday, so yeah, that is what we're doing. Oh, but I'm just about to get the kids ready to go now. I'm not sure what's going on with my scarf, please ignore that, I can't bother to change it. But I thought I would let you know that I'm feeling a lot better, so thank you for all of your messages, and yes, that is what's going on. I just need to get these guys ready and then we're gonna head out of the door. How are you doing today?
I'm not feeling very well.
Me too.
I've had a cold since I come back from Liverpool.
Oh yeah. You know what, I just feel like since we've been back from Liverpool I've just been feeling completely crap. That was a very, very nice brunch. I didn't film me eating it, so Imani's still eating though. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you eating?
Beans.
Beans?
I was eating
Two turkey rashers. Yummy, yummy. Elisa had pancakes.
pancakes, and one was half biscuit, half Nutella with cream, and I had blue.
That's what I had.
One was biscoff. One was biscoff with cream on top.
Oh, yummy. A layer of Biscoff, a layer of Nutella, and then a layer of cream, and I just ate it like a cake. It was so delicious.
You know what I used to get? If I had like 3 or 4 pancakes, I used to stack them on top and put different like toppings.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Wow.
It's like a cake with different flavoured
Like
fillings.
bananas.
Oh, that's amazing. You have to make me some pancakes soon. So I have just left the kids with my family and I've come to ALDI because I need to get some nappies and just some little bits and pieces like that. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Up pointing towards the ceiling, yeah, as high as you need to get your leg, yeah, that's true. So go down, no, all the way down and up again. So you're doing
These guys are doing exercises and I could not be bothered. They tried to get me to do it, but I was like, I don't want an aching butt tomorrow.
You can do that. Yeah, but I go all the way down and up again.
Are you going to do some exercises?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a nice shop in ALDI and now I'm just chilling at my sister's house for a bit. My eyes feel so blurry today, I don't know why.
I don't even know.
My sister is watching my video. Look at my nose. It's alright. decided to put my video on because they want to watch the Boxing Day. Gosh, I look crazy today.
Mom, what's that?
Stop shouting.
What's that?
It's a shop.
The one that we came to the other day.
Yeah. You're going to help me look for some light fittings?
We have come to Dunham. It's over there. We parked a bit further away because there's a lot of cars here today. So yeah, then we're going to go in there now, have a little look around. My mum is looking for, what are you looking for?
Stuff for my front bedroom.
Yeah, she's doing up her front bedroom and she's looking for lights mainly, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Hello, Issa's fallen asleep. So just got home and just realised how crazy I look today, like what is going on. Guess what? I don't care. So we just got back home. I dropped my mum off at her house and then drove home. Issa is still fast asleep. So that's gonna be fun tonight. I got some Amazon packages, so let's open them. So all of this stuff is actually for Elisa's birthday and we're having a little party thing, nothing big, like I'm just going to invite the people that usually come around to my house and have a little cake and some decorations in this room, and it's just going to be nice and quiet and just Elisa's birthday because she wants a party, so I can't really say no, you're not having a party, because I've done it in the past, so she can have a little thing where people come around. But anyway, I am going to go and put the shopping away that I bought earlier. So I thought I would do an ALDI haul because you guys love a good ALDI haul, so let's just go. I picked up some brioche rolls for the kids for breakfast. They already had some when we were in Dunelm, so that's why they're open. I got some of these like rip-off of Ritz crackers because they like having these as snacks. These are new, I think they're like 75p or something. I picked up some strawberries, some olives, some orange juice. I got some cowpole because you never know when you need cowpole. Some grapes, Lisa's already eaten half of them. I picked up some lettuce, baby leaf salad. I like this salad actually. I got some bananas, some Greek style yogurt, the 0% fat one. I got some easy peelers, some lighter than light mayonnaise. I picked up some fruity waters and then some Braeburn apples, some onions, and then I also got some mini apples for the kids, some floor wipes, always need these are great, more fruity water and some butter. And I also picked up 2 packets of nappies and a packet of toilet roll as well, which are in the other room. I can't be bothered to get them. I'm just going to put all this stuff away and then I don't know what I'm going to do after that. So, excuse my situation, smudged mascara, all that kind of thing. I fell asleep after I did that little haul. I was so tired. So I don't even know why. I think it's because I went to sleep at 2 o'clock as well. Anyway, but this is basically reality, guys. I fall asleep sometimes in the day and I just feel so shattered and horrible. So what's happening now, I was supposed to edit this video, tomorrow's vlog, no, tomorrow's Q&A thing, my get ready with me Q&A, which you would have seen yesterday earlier, but I didn't do it. So now it's 7:30 and I've just ordered a burger because I didn't make any food for myself. I made these guys some pasta before I went to sleep. So they've eaten, but I haven't. They're just playing on the bed. They've got loads of toys and they're just being silly and playing, jumping off the bed, on the bed, and they're also watching Cocomelon on the TV, which is fine, it's fine. But their bedtime has gone out of the window recently. They normally go to bed at like 7 o'clock, but it's like 7:35 right now and they're not anywhere near ready for bed. But this is like those few days between Christmas and New Year's where you're just like, you don't know what day it is, you don't know what's going on, everything's just crazy. Obviously Elisa's not in nursery, so bedtime's gone out of the window. Issa's just fully out of a routine. Like if I put Elisa to bed, she'd at least go to sleep. But he had a nap in Dunelm and then woke up about 2 or 3 hours later, so he's not going to go to sleep. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and end the video now. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm sorry if it was crazy all over the place, but that's just life at the moment. Oh yeah, it's Elisa's birthday on the 4th of January, so it's so exciting. She's gonna be 4. But the next few days I'm planning to be going out to get Elisa's party things. It is the 29th, so I've got quite a while to do all of that, but just to be prepared, I like to do things early. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment and I will try my best to reply. Like this video and also share it if you want to. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and press the bell notification too, which is down here. And then you will get notified when all my videos come out. So thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.